This video demonstrates the use of Design Merge software for adding names and numbers to custom jerseys that will be produced using a dye sublimation printer. In addition to names and numbers, we can also customize colors, layouts, or any aspect of this document. Let's get started by looking at the database. Here's the database that we're going to be using for this job. It consists of a few fields. In the column A, we have name followed by number. That's your basic variable information. Then in column C and D, we've added a couple of color fields. And we'll show you how we're going to work with those later on. Now let's take a look at how we set up the template and prepare this for use with Design Merge software. To prepare this document with Design Merge, we use the Design Merge set of floating palettes to tag variable elements within the document. Let's start with the jersey number. What I'm going to do is highlight this number inside of InDesign, and then I'm going to use my floating palette to select the number link that we have here in the palette. When I click the Assign button, you'll see a little green underscore that identifies that as a variable piece of text. Now let's just repeat the process for the number that's on the back side of the jersey, which is in a different size. And now let's tag the name. I'm just going to highlight the text, select the name link from under the Design Merge palette, and then click the Assign button. That's all there is to tagging the variables within this document. Now let's take a look at what happens when we merge some variable data into this for testing. To start a merge, I come under the Design Merge menu and I select Merge. This is the main Design Merge dialog. The top section specifies the range of records to be processed, and down below you tell Design Merge what to do with the merged result. We have some print options, some file options, and some testing options. What I'm going to do right now is run a data preview, and data preview is going to allow us to step through the database one record at a time so we can see how the data will flow in. I'm going to choose the database, and now you can see here's record 1. If we want to see the data, we can make this dialog larger and it'll show you the data coming in as we're performing the merge. Here's the next record. Next record, this is Smith number 9. Now, this is the record where we have a name that's very long, too long to fit in the space, as you can see here. For this type of an application, we bundle another product with this called CopyFit, and let me show you how that works. To use CopyFit, what I'm going to do is click on this text frame in the document, and I'm going to apply some CopyFit parameters to that. CopyFit has a very extensive list of parameters that a designer can adjust in order to achieve an aesthetically pleasing CopyFit. And of course, this all happens real time during the merge. So now to achieve a CopyFit, what I'm first going to do is tag that box so we store CopyFitting parameters with that box. Now, when I come back to the preview palette and merge this record again, what you'll see is that Design Merge detects the overset. It calls CopyFit. CopyFit just applies its parameters to get that to fit and then continues on with the merge session. And as I mentioned, this occurs in real time during the merge session as the document's being created. Now that the records look okay, let's go ahead and initiate what we call a build document operation. Now, a build document operation can be used for proofing and also for final production work. When I run a build document operation, I'm going to select the data file here, and notice this is going to build out an InDesign document where each page contains variable data. Now, we also provide utilities to automatically save each of these pages out as a separate PDF or EPS file or any other format that you might need. So this is a great way for short run variable data where the designer can build an InDesign document, make minor changes if they'd like, and then export the entire file as EPS or PDF and get it ready to go. In the final part of this demonstration, I just want to offer a sneak peek into what we can do with the scripting interface for Design Merge. What we've done is created a page rule that will swap in the color values used in the document for those that are used in the database that we're providing. So what you'll see here as we start to do a merge, when I choose the data file and scroll through the records, not only are the text and the numbers changing, but also we're changing the color values for the various pieces of the garment. So in this fashion, you can control the name, the number, any variable text, any variable graphics, or even the colors of the jerseys automatically through the database file, and all driven using Design Merge software. When you're ready to go to final print output, you can choose from any of the available print drivers, including PDF, to produce either individual PDFs or multi-page PDFs, all automated using Design Merge. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.designmerge.com.